Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can import fonts in After Effects. So you're going to have to head over to this website. That's the website I use personally, but there's so many other websites from where you can download fonts. Also, something here to mention, if you aren't planning to use a font for commercial, you can see here free for personal use. And if you can also see here the font for free for personal use, but if you see like something free for also for commercial use. In fact, I'm going to show you another website from where we can download fonts. That one I use also pretty frequently. Sorry, not here. Let's click on the font, and here 100% free. We can click on this. See, you can donate. You can see here comments. You can click on here to download. But now let me show you the other website. And now the next one, the next website I use a lot is 1001fonts.com. And for this one, you can click on here on download. You can see which font you can use for personal use. And also if you look, you scroll, you can also find fonts for commercial use. They're really nice, very easy to install. So let's say I install this one. I'm gonna click on here. This looks very interesting. Allow. Now I'm going to click on downloads. I'm going to click on this file. Now it was already unzipped because this is the file normally. And now I just click on this. We have here a font preview. So here we also have regular. Maybe you might have also bold or more, and then you're going to have to select multiple if you have more diversity, more options, more different font styles, you know. Then you just click on install, and that's pretty much it. You got installed. Now I just can search for this font, and it is called let's go here in fonts, and voila, I have the font here. Now make sure you highlight the text. Sorry, forgot to highlight the text. And now just what it was called? Ah, yeah. And now I have this font. Highlight the font, and you can zoom out. And now, sorry, here. And yeah, so I have this text here. And yeah, I don't know what to say. Yeah, sorry. I hope I found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tutorials. Take care.